Hi everyone, my name is Adrian, creator of ClingPals.
Hi, I'm Zoe, the designer behind ClingPals.
So you might be thinking, what the heck are ClingPals? Ta-da!
ClingPals are unique flash figures designed to cling onto any magnetic surface.
And if there's nothing magnetic around, they can cling around objects with their limbs.
Attach them to the side of your car or your bike. You can cling them onto your fridge while you cook. You can cling them onto your washing machine to keep you company while doing the laundry.
The possibilities are endless.
This makes them super unique, super flexible, and super fun. The perfect plushy companion.
Our first two characters are Charlie Cruz and Neo the Ninja.
Charlie loves clinging onto the sides of cars and traveling with you at fast speeds. So the next time you check your mirror, you'll see this cute caper staring right back at you.
Neo loves to climb and sneak up on unsuspecting victims. He's super stealthy and perfect to hang out with around the house.
The secret behind their clingy abilities are magnets embedded securely into each hand and foot.
So depending on the character, ClingPals can withstand speeds of up to 130 kilometers an hour, or about 80 miles per hour. And we're working to increase this. We'll be creating a full lineup of cool and clingy characters, and we'd love to get your feedback on which characters you like best and suggestions for new characters. But to make all this happen, we need your support. Our campaign goal is to raise 4,500 Canadian dollars to create 100 units of Charlie, Neo, and the top 3 most popular characters as chosen by you. What we're really hoping to accomplish with this campaign is to see if you all like what we've created. As always, the best way to show your support is to donate, and we've got several tiers of backer rewards for you to choose from below. Even a small donation will go a long way.
And even if you can't donate, reposting this campaign on your social media will help us a lot.
Finally, if we're successful, we have big plans. We'd like to showcase ClingPals at the International Toy Fair in New York City in February and open up our own online store.
So, thank you very much for watching. Remember, if we don't hit our goal of 4,500 Canadian dollars, we won't receive a single penny.
We truly believe in this project, and we would love to share our fun, flexible, and innovative plushies with you. So please support us and help make ClingPals a reality.